As of now, a severe thunderstorm warning is active for this area for Jackson until about 9 p.m. You can expect damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. The storm is moving northwest at around 15 miles per hour. Head indoors immediately. Stay away from windows and secure loose objects outside. If you hear loud thunder, you're close enough for lightning to strike. Stay safe out there. Approximately 53,000 people in the Warren County. Alert! Severe thunderstorm warning active for Jackson, including Scottsboro, Bridgeport, Stevenson, and others. Dangerous storms approaching. Storm moving north. 60-mile-per-hour winds possible.